Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a beautiful 1936 Dodge Street Rod 5 Business Window Coupe. Come on up, let's check her out, and we'll start it up and take you for a little ride. This is a wonderful 350 mildly modified motor, power steering, power front disc brakes, and it's hooked up to a Chevrolet 350 Auto Trans, and it all ends up at the rear axle with a GM 10-bolt solid axle rear end. We're going to walk around the car, take a look at the paint, the ProStar rims, the big fat Mickeys on the back. Check out the interior. As you can see, the paint's in very good shape. There's a couple nicks here and there, but overall very good condition. The motor has a Performer RPM aluminum intake, MSD ignition, headers with dual exhaust, B&M floor shifter, custom dash, and we'll get to that in a little bit. Chevy A-arm independent coil springs front clip, 10-bolt GM solid axle with ladder bars in the back. We have Mickey Thompsons on the back, Firestones on the front. Just a well-done steel car here, guys. In the trunk we have the fuel tank, rear-mounted battery. It's all carpeted and vinyl, very nice looking. I'm going to drop the trunk and we're going to go around the passenger side. Very, very, very sweet looking rod here. All the doors open and close real nice, sitting on some nice meats. This car is ready for some show and ready for some go. Alright, let's check out the interior. Inside we have a nice, it's like a vinyl / leather tan interior. Beautiful steel dash with Fatal Attraction on there. Look at that. Full complete gauge setup, AM FM CD radio. It does have vents for air conditioning. Looks like the compressor's just inoperable. There's not a belt on it for the air conditioning. But just a nice clean little street rod here. have this one today for less, probably less than half you can pay to have one built. So call Tom today at 248-974-9513. Because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. And don't forget, go to Vanguard Motor Sales and become part of our social network on Twitter, YouTube, or Facebook, so you can see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. And also, if you plan on buying a classic car, whether it be from Vanguard or someplace else, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. I want to thank you for joining us today, and don't forget, if we don't have what you're looking for, hit our auto locator and tell us a little bit about yourself and what you're